Lori, and today I want to talk to you about the magic of meditation. So let's start off with what is meditation? Meditation is the awareness and the attentiveness to our inner thoughts and feelings. It's not responding to the constant audio and visual stimuli of our modern world. And let's face it, we're bombarded by constant, incessant outside noise, outside advertisements. All of this stimulation affects our mind in a really, really serious way. It gets us on a deep subconscious level, so deep that we don't even realize the impact that it's having most of the time. So when we start to practice meditation on a daily basis, which is what I highly, highly recommend, you will start to cultivate a practice of mindfulness. And mindfulness allows you to see your thoughts for what they are without judgment. And that's really freaking powerful. When you can start to see and hear your thoughts without immediately jumping to, oh, don't say that, or you're not fat, or yes, you are fat and you need to lose some weight, or you can't wear that outfit, you look awful. We get into this negative self-talk, we discourage ourselves from things, we have fear around things, and we just protect ourselves by talking ourselves out of doing a lot of amazing things in our life that we're capable of. So one of the things that meditation does is lower stress. It reduces anxiety. That is huge. That Americans and people all over the world are stressed out in a huge way. And that's because we're taking on way more than we're really able to. And that's kind of a whole other story that we'll get into another day. But I want to also emphasize how crucial meditation is for proper digestion. We're all connected, you know, the human body is one whole complete entity, and our mind and our body and our spirit are all connected. It's all linked. So when we practice meditation and we reduce that anxiety and we lower our stress and we boost our blood oxygen levels and we boost circulation and we start to turn off inflammation in the body, whoa, all of a sudden our digestive system is working a lot better, and we're going to start reaping really amazing benefits that we're going to be able to see and feel in our body, in our mind, and in our spirit. You're just going to feel lighter and brighter and more joyful. And that's because you're going to start to connect with you. I want you to reconnect inside of yourself. And that's something that I didn't even realize how disconnected I was until I started meditating every day. And it was that aha, that light bulb of, wow, I forgot who I really am and how much I really love myself, and that I deserve to connect and quiet and go inward to recharge my batteries. And it's a really easy way to do that. And again, this is why it's something that I feel is so critical to practice every single day. So I want to just say that meditation, there's no one perfect way to do it. You get to make meditation whatever you want to make it. You can sit quietly up in your bed or on your couch and close your eyes and take deep breaths and say a mantra for 5 or 10 minutes. You can color a mandala, which is a circular shape and has all different intricate shapes within it, that when you're coloring that, you really fall into this deep meditative state. You can go on a nature walk and get in touch with yourself that way and fall into a meditation that way. So there's no one perfect way to do it. I encourage you to explore many different ways of meditation and see what resounds with you and make it your own. Make it something that you want to do and that you look forward to doing. I know when I don't meditate, I'm like, oh my God, I didn't meditate, what the heck? Like, it's halfway through the day, you know? So I really encourage you to make it part of your morning ritual. It's a great way to set a positive tone for your day and to keep you on track with your goals and your intentions that you have for that day. So check it out. Check more into meditation, explore the magic that this brings into your life, and let me know how it goes for you. I can't wait to hear. I'll talk to you soon.